Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Shakit Kmi, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
MLA ka North Karimganj constituency ka Jilla Assam ukamalakhya de purkayas tham takasngi ula wan banya kandu yo mentri rangba ka Jilla u Conrad ki sangma banya kren halor ka jingsha ka nob asale ben ki jai ben rio Bengali ki basa po Meghalaya habakren met kilat patai khubor nakalyang u purkayas thaw lo ong banadu ubanai rempang ar hazar arpo kilami ki khubor baki jai ben rio Bengali ki basa ka than ishamati bat hadu menta kala don ru ka jingsong sier pedang gijat ben real Bengali ki besar hapo ke Jilla. Hakini ki kindiat sngi ki ladon kat tu kan ningut ki samla khasi ki bala let ru ban khang ya kherdop ke Ramakrishna Mission bat kani ka bu ke jingsung sier ki jat ben real Bengali ki besar hapo ke nong ba Shillong bat kum ju ru ke Jilla hi berok ke wei loong kamalakia di pur kayastha. Habadai bat ke jingsong suk song shngan ki jat ben real Bengali na kalyang ukamalakhya de purkayastha ulaong bau Conrad ki sang maula pensyai bakamdan satya ke jingsha berngem ki jat ben real Bengali ki basa Meghalaya bat ukularu banang ni shakhmat baka sarkar Jilla kan le ka badan kam ban ai jing yadai ki bar Jilla ki bala imslem hapo Meghalaya. Hapo ka jingdawa ki patba ka Jilla ban pentri kam ya ka inner line permit na kalyang unong mi khmat ka Assam uloong ba mentri rangba ka Jilla ula pensyai ba hadu menta ka sarkar Meghalaya kampat pentri kam satya ya ka ILP Henry Shen ki bar Jilla ki bathmu ban wanrung sa Meghalaya ki dei ban penrung kerteng shwaya la die Namar baka Meghalaya ka de ka Jakami Jakarung jong kiwei ki patba na kiwei ki Jilla kum ka Tripura bat Manipur ka ILP ban pentri kam hapo ka Jilla kam de ban yasriam bat ki Jilla kum ka Mizoram namar lada pentri kam bet ya ka ILP kan kata bahai ka rung kami ki patba ki ba na kiwei ki Jilla ki biyat ling ba ka Meghalaya laban biang ukamalakhya de pur kayastha nalor ka ni MLA Karimganj constituency loong ba Hijat ben real Bengali ki bala imlang kum shipara bat ki khasi garo bat jantia na du ki por menchwa bat halor kan ni ki pat ba ka Jilla lembat ki wei ki jat ben real ki bala sa hapo ka Jilla ki dei ban ya treilang na ka benta ban penne e ka jinglong shipara
Some days ago, Ramakrishna Mission gate was closed by the some miscreant. That's why we met with our Honorable Chief Minister Ji, and he assured us that there is no incident will happen in further, and they, he's doing all the measures regarding this kind of any problem, any incident if occurred in Meghalaya. Government is very much serious regarding this matter. That's why we met with Honorable Chief Minister.
And apart from what are the other issues that you raised before the Honorable Chief Minister?
Regarding ILP, we discussed the matter with Honorable Chief Minister, and he assured me it's not a ILP. That's a registration. There is a check gate and there is a registration, and legally people will come. If people stay here 2 days or 3 days, then they should register in the apps. Nothing else. If anybody tells it, some say, I live in Barakvili, that is Karimganj, Hailakandi and Silchar. Every day we move these roads. Our connectivity is only this way, nothing higher. That's why we told Honorable Chief Minister that there is no another way to movement in Barakvili people. So he assured us that there is no problem because of that. It is not a ILP like Mizoram and other state. So that's a registration, and there is a center. If somebody stayed here, then he should register. Otherwise, you can move this way, this NH, nothing else.
So your concern is about the transit movement?
Chief Minister assured us that there is no problem in transit. So it is not a problem, I think.